We'll contact everybody about it. There you go. Hello everybody, my name is Leander. I work with the Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program, and today we're going to actually make some kale spinach smoothies. And so much, so we're going to go ahead and show you the ingredients that we're going to use. First of all, we're going to be needing a kale. We're also going to be needing some bananas. We need some non-sweetened soy milk. And also spinach. And then 2 more ingredients. We're going to have our honey and our peanut butter. And we're also going to have ice in there. After cleaning it, you want to go ahead and get yourself a nice sharp knife. Usually just say sharp knife is the safest knife, not a dull knife. So you want to go ahead and you want to just clean off all the leaves that's on the stem. For our soy milk, we're going to need 1.5 cups. 1 cup of spinach. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in there. Pack it in as hard as you can. As you see, throw it in there. That's 1 whole cup right here. There we go. Alright. Then we're going to have our kale. So it's 1/2 cup of this. Right, that's good right there. Actually, it'll be 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. That'll be 2 teaspoons. And then our final ingredient will be the honey. It's all going to be blended together. As you can see. Right there is actually 1 teaspoon of honey. But you want 2 in here. 1 cup will do, or pretty much your preference, but I'm going to use a 1 cup. And then voila! That's all it is to it, to this kale spinach smoothie. And we're going to go ahead and put this on low. Go ahead and gradually move it up. There you go. 1 cup of your smoothies.
Hello, Tommy Atcive here from Taylor Wheatfields area community. Drinking the kale smoothie here. Delicious protein, can taste the protein. I give it a thumbs up.
Hi, this is Delta Higdon. I'm coming from Old Valley Store. I'm with Chinle ODY, and I came over to try Leander's smoothie. It's pretty good. I like it.
My name is Vincent Salabai. I am from Nazlini, and what do I think about this? So far, it's tasty. I mean, I was thinking a little bit more veggie kind of flavor, but no, it's good. Yeah, I like it.